Alright guys, welcome back. Second part of our video. Okay, so equation of a circle. What's the radius and center for the circle? One thing you'll have to be able to do is to pick out where this point's at. Okay, so right there is the center. How do I know that? Just looking at the picture. That is right 3, up 1, so my center is 3, 1. Now your radius. Guys, just be able to count 1, 2. Radius is 2. Okay, it's always positive. Now your equation of a circle, which we will give you, okay, like so. We're plugging this in. Remember, it's opposite sign. X minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 2 squared, which is 4. Okay. Putting that to use over here, it's always opposite. Opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. Opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. And your radius, now this time I'm not squaring it, I'm square rooting it. What's the square root of 4? 2. Same thing here. Negative 2, 1 for my center. Opposite, opposite. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay. Easy part. Please make sure you cash in on it and knock it out of the park. Okay. A few more problems. Draw an example of each of the following, just to give you a real quick example of everything. Okay. Radius is half the circle. Diameter is the full length across. Has to go through the center. Okay. Central angle, this is like your Pac-Man. It goes to the center. It's right here. Okay, it's like a piece of the pie. Tangent cuts all the way through. It hits it at one point. Secant cuts all the way through. Needs to go all the way through. Meanwhile, a chord starts and stops on your circle. Okay. So hopefully we're comfortable with that. You will definitely see some vocab tomorrow. Alright. Nearing the end here. Here's your chord theorem. X times 3, or 3 times x, equals 4 times 9. That's a parentheses right there. Terrible parentheses. 3x equals 36. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 12. Same thing right here. 4 times x equals 11 times 2. 4x equals 22. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 5.5. And you can get decimals. That's completely fine. I know I'm kind of going a little quick through this, so if you need to slow it down, hit the pause button, or feel free to ask questions in class. Outside piece times full piece. This is the tough one. 3 times 3 plus 5 equals 4 times the entire thing. It is not 4x. It is x plus 4. 3 times 8 equals 4x plus 16. I distribute this in. 24 equals 4x plus 16. Subtract 16 over. 8 equals 4x. Divide x equals 2. Okay? Same basic type of problem over here. I gotta move that little thingy again. Okay. So I'm going to do piece outside 10 times the entire thing, x plus 10, equals outside here, the tangent line, squared. Multiply in, 10x plus 100 equals 400. Okay, 20 squared is 400. Subtract 100 over. Good. X equals 30. Okay. And the very last one, piece times piece, x times x equals 1 times 8. X squared equals 8. I can square root both sides. Let's see here. Square root of 8 equals 2.82. But I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth, so it's 2.83. Okay? Awesome. Back page. Okay, I crossed off a few more for you here. This is a tricky one. I wouldn't worry too much about it, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. Its outside angle is equal to 1/2. I'm sorry, exterior angle is equal to 1/2 outside arc minus inside arc. There you go. What's the opposite of 1/2? Times both sides by 2. That cancels this out. Okay. Now to get I'm thinking through my head. I'm thinking this isn't right. Add 80 to both sides. We get x equals 160 degrees. Okay. Be more concerned about the other way. If I give you an arc out here and go that way, because that's probably the one you're going to see. 23 inside angle is equal to 1/2 the two outsides add together. 1/2 of 84 degrees. Half of 84, 42 degrees. Okay. Everything else I've crossed out here, I don't want you to worry about too much. I just rather you focus on the other ones as well. So, cool. I think that's pretty much it. Let me just show you guys one quick example off to the side about this one, because this is what I really want you to know. Let's say this is 100 degrees. Let's say this is 20 degrees. Find angle 1. What you would do is you would do angle 1 equals 1/2 outside minus inside. Okay, so 1/2 of 80 would give you 40 degrees. Is this problem on your paper? No, I just want to show you because you're going to see something like that tomorrow. All right, this is a short video, but hopefully it's helped a little bit. Again, come ready to go tomorrow, and most importantly, as always, good luck. We're all counting on you.